when people look at this, they just are almost awestruck to the point where there isn't a question. It's just so different. It's so the scale, you don't really appreciate the scale of the project until you're standing on it. I'm Travis David Saver, Vice President and Senior Geotechnical Engineer at Barr Engineering Company. I'm in our Duluth, Minnesota office, and we're here today at the Copper Peak ski flying facility. Barr Engineering had the honor of being hired by Copper Peak in 2017 to design the landing hill portion of the project. That means reshaping where the skiers land. The work that's being undertaken right now is to shape that slope so that a concrete surface can be applied to allow future artificial surfacing to allow ski jumpers to practice and compete in the summer months, as well as the winter months. And so the work that we saw today included the stabilization of the hill, the grading of the hill, and the preparation for the concrete work that's to come yet next year. This is a never been done before project is what's so unique about this. There's no playbook, there is no cookbook. It's taking engineering knowledge, collaborating with a skilled contractor to develop a construction methodology and an approach that allows us to execute a one-off design. With this being again, the largest artificial surface jump, what's really challenging and unique here is the fact that we had to both stabilize the slope and then allow it to be designed to place an enormous amount of water to lubricate the plastic surface for the jumpers to practice and compete in the summer. And as a result, it's taken a while to get the design complete, collaborating with the International Ski Federation, other jumps within the United States to learn what helped, what didn't work for them, and coming up with a solution that again is very much never been done before. The anticipation of having 20,000 people here is incredible. You know, that 20,000 people for an event watching this all around the world, this being the center stage of a very unique project right here in our backyard is pretty unique. And so next year you'll see the concrete and the stairway go in place, as well as the sprinkler system to support the irrigation of that artificial surface that'll be placed at a later date. And then following that, modifications to the jump itself, the new judges tower, and the artificial surface to land on are all future items that'll be completed. Ski flying is really the next step above ski jumping. Ski jumping is an Olympic sport, and this jump is nearly twice the size of a large Olympic ski jump. So it's simply the sheer scale. And when you watch the videos of the athletes ski flying, they're truly in the air, you know, flying. They're using their body and their form and their skis to glide down the mountainside, and it's pretty impressive and definitely a daring sport. Barr Engineering Company in Duluth, Minnesota is where the design came from. The original jump was designed by another firm in Duluth back in the late 60s, and it's just an honor to be a part of a project that's evolving this into the new technology for ski flying. And this will be a centerpiece for the world stage when it's done.